Vanakkam, Krishna Mackenzie. This is Solitude Farm in Auroville, and I want to tell you a little bit about the workshops that we're running here. So every month we do a workshop on permaculture. Now this word permaculture has become very sort of, a bit sort of hyped up. But permaculture is basically exploring your relationship with your ecology, with your environment, and especially exploring food and how to grow that food, how those plants interact, how to make best use of water, how to use natural materials to make building, looking at natural energy supplies, renewable energy supplies, and also about community. So all of that we do at Solitude, and all of that is in our workshop. Now we start the workshop, I'll show you a little bit. We start the workshop with an exploration of local foods that grow around us, and we harvest them and we go back to the kitchen and we make a dish. So one of the things we explore is soursop. This is called mulachita in Tamil, and it's anti-cancer. So we make a tea with that, and during the workshop people drink these different teas and juices with the aparajita flower, the butterfly pea, hibiscus, and the nanari, sarsaparilla root, the soursop, exploring this heritage of local foods that is both nutritional and medicinal. And what we start to see is that all these plants grow easily and they grow together, that there is a symbiosis, there is a sort of intelligence in nature where they all come together, occupying different strata. Here you have the pumpkin climbing on top of the soursop, making use of the tree as a structure. Here you have, just by chance, the giloy. This is guduchi, what we call amritam kodi, the nectar of immortality. It's an edible weed, but it's like so special in Ayurveda. It's actually been used a lot in COVID times. And of course, we'll look at other techniques such as mulching, how to return organic matter back to the soil to improve the soil fertility. And we will look at also rotations, intercrops. We'll look at the nursery. We'll look at especially at how to prepare these foods. Because someone might say, wow, giloy, great. Oh, I know about that. I read about it. But do you know how to use it? And it's that connection between doing it with your hands, cooking it, and putting it in your mouth, and realizing the beautiful taste and the value, the medicinal value of it, that is the empowerment that we want you to take away after this permaculture workshop. And that will give you courage and a strength to start doing this, start integrating these ideas into your daily life. Please check out our website. It's www.solitude.farm. And on that website are all the dates of the workshop. The next workshop is just next week. It's on Friday the 20th, Saturday 21st, and Sunday the 22nd of December. It starts on Friday morning and it'll end on Sunday at lunchtime. This is a residential, full-on program where you need a lot of enthusiasm, and we look forward to seeing you here. Thank you so much.